Several people were found dead off the coast of Texas. They all had the blood sucked out of their bodies and they were pale white. Stay indoors until told to come out. This is a national emergency. Several people were found dead off the coast of Texas. They all had the blood sucked out of their bodies and they were pale white. Stay indoors until told to come out. This is a national emergency.
We now have a live photo of what beast might have killed these people a couple hours ago. This photo shows a giant snake that looks to be around 30 feet tall due to it being taller than the tree line. If you see or get any photos, send them in to help the people see what to look out for. And again, stay indoors. This is a national emergency. The United States National Guard was just deployed in the following cities in Texas: Houston, Austin, Galveston, and Rockport. The reason for this is because scientists studied the bodies of the people who died 2 days ago. And they saw the images people sent in. And they put all the pieces of evidence together and they found that the creature that killed the people was a giant snake. Now keep in mind, this is a special snake. The government wants to capture it to take studies on it. So, if you see the creature, do not kill it, just alert 911 and they will send forces to capture it. If it is found you have killed this animal, you will be sentenced to 10 years in jail if put on trial. Thank you for listening to these broadcasts for the past 3 days. The snake has finally been captured and you are now free to go outside again. There is no longer a national emergency.